Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Hello, all creative filmmakers. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 16mm vintage video inside Premiere Pro like this. In this tutorial, we will just use some built-in effects and free overlays. So, let's start. Now we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already got one video footage. First of all, I'm going to drag and drop this footage to the timeline. And here, you can see, I have got 3 overlay videos: damage overlay, film burn overlay, and 16mm video frame overlay. The damage overlay I found on pixabay.com, and the film burn overlay from videvo.net. And finally, the 16mm frame I found on cinepax.store. I will add some links in the description, so you can download them as well. First of all, drag and drop this damage overlay to the timeline. As you can see, this is a black overlay video. Now, select this overlay and move over to the Effect Controls panel. From the blend mode, we have to select normal to screen. And then, as you can see here on the timeline, this overlay video is not long enough to cover the entire video clip. Now, copy the overlay, and then place this after the other one. Next, move over to the project panel. Now, drag and drop this film burn overlay to the timeline. Here, you can see, this overlay is not perfect enough to cover the entire program monitor. So, we need to scale it up, and move over to the Effect Controls panel. Then, increase the scale value. Then, from the blend mode, we have to select normal to screen. Now, we need to decrease the opacity value to around 70%. Again, move over to the project panel. Now, drag and drop this 16mm frame overlay to the timeline. You can see, this overlay video is not long enough to cover the entire video clip. Now, copy the overlay, and then place this after the other one. Now, select this video clip, and move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a black and white effect. Now, drag and drop this black and white effect to the video clip. Now, we have to add another effect. This is a noise effect. Now, drag and drop this noise effect to the video clip. Finally, we have to add a Gaussian blur effect. Now, drag and drop this Gaussian blur effect to the video clip. Next, move over to the Effect Controls panel. And, from the noise effect, make the amount of noise value around 30. And, from the Gaussian blur effect, make the blurriness value around 7. Now, we are done. Let's preview the 16mm vintage video.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
In this way, you can give your modern digital footage into 16mm vintage look like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.